This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome home to the Willow, a beautifully designed two-story home in Camden, North Carolina, offering 2,108 square feet of stylish, energy-efficient living. This open-concept floor plan features luxury vinyl plank flooring and kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a spacious island great for gatherings. Upstairs offers 4 spacious bedrooms, including a large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and large bathroom with double sinks. A 2-car garage adds convenience, while thoughtful design touches throughout make everyday living feel effortless. With charming curb appeal and modern finishes, the Willow is the perfect blend of comfort, function, and timeless style. Don't miss your chance to own a home where every detail is designed for the way you live today. June 26, 2025 for more.